Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. In today's video, we will be checking out the INNO64 LBWK RX-7 FD3S LB Super Silhouette car right here. And as you can see, this is apart from the final Malaysia Diecast Expo model car that we will be reviewing. And after this, I will be heading on to some other event models. And this is the Mazda FD3S, sorry, the LBWK RX-7. And yeah, this looks like a very nice brand box right here, as you can see. So you have this outer box right here, very nice, orange and green themed, and a touch of blue. So we'll start off from the outer box right here. We have LBWK RX-7 FD3S LB Super Silhouette, and then we have some a big green part right here, a orange and green and orange again, with some like dotted stripes right there. So very nice actually. Over here it says FD3S RX-7 LB Super Silhouette. Some more dotted lines. INNO models right there. Over here you have some silhouettes of the LB logo, Liberty Walk, Toyo Tires, Liberty Walk, FD3S RX-7, Liberty Walk, Slammed, and what is that? I'm not sure. Over here, INNO models, you have the CLDC logo. It depends whether you buy it from them or what. At the bottom right here, INNO models, INNO64 LBWK Liberty Walk, and yeah, there's the barcode, and there is some weird things with it. So yeah, I managed to buy this off of one of my friends. He was planning to sell it off, and I would say, oh, I would like to have one of these. So yeah, we met up and I basically bought the car from him. And this is the INNO64 FD3S. So this is the outer box. Well, this is the outer box. The more to the inner box, colored in white. Liberty Walk LBWK RX-7 FD3S LB Super Silhouette, and then you have your car present right there in its sleeve. So it's in this small little inner box, tucked away in this inner box, which is nice. So we'll just do that, put it at the back. So here is the acrylic case with the sleeve that it normally comes with. So yeah, there's the name of the car, some green and orange, some silhouette, pretty much the same thing. LB Silhouette Works, 1/64 scale, and some of those here and there. Over on the front you can see the car inside right there, and also from the back. Moving towards the back, you can see a bit of the car right there, LBWK. Yeah, the color is a bit too vibrant for this outline of the car right here, LBWK. And there is INNO's website, very nice. Bottom of the box, so colored in black, LBWK, INNO64, their socials, and basically all of that. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at it. So for that, here's the card, LBWK FD3S RX-7 LB Silhouette Works. So here it is, the the LBWK FD3S RX-7 LB Super Silhouette. Basically, it's not really under Mazda anymore, as LBWK bought the licensing. So basically now it belongs to LBWK. Just look at the aggressive wide body right there with the body kit, the Super Silhouette body kit. That is just absurd. I have reviewed this previously. This is my third RX-7 so far. There are another at least 2 to 3 more RX-7 FD3Ss that I will be reviewing soon, so you guys better stay tuned. This is just the Malaysia Diecast Expo version. So I love the base, orange and green all over the place, INNO right there, and then the LBWK logo. So let's go ahead and take it out from its base. So these cars do still quite cost a bunch nowadays. The RX-7, the R34, R35, you name it. All of these cars are not that cheap, especially their chase pieces, basically. Now there is a chase for this car, and if you don't know, there is also a gift version of this car available at the Malaysia Diecast Expo. But if you're entirely lucky, then you'll get the chase nor the gift edition while you purchase this car in, I guess, certain quantities. I'm not sure. Take a look at the car. That looks nice. This car is actually owned by Liberty Walk themselves, of course, but mainly the son of the tuner and founder of Liberty Walk himself. The founder is still there, of course. The founder is Wataru Kato. He's still currently owning LBWK as of for now, and his successor, which is his son, Huma Kato, is the proud owner of this Mazda RX-7 FD3S, I believe in Japan. I'm not sure which part of Japan, maybe in Kyoto or Nagoya, I'm not sure. But I've seen several of his photos taking photos of this car on his Instagram and posting it so that people can admire his beautiful work of art, which is this Mazda RX-7 FD3S in reality, and also as an image so that people can reshare and people can reuse it. Now, you have seen this car in my channel previously, but it's not typically INNO related. Instead, it's actually well, you know what, let's take a look at the car itself. But hold on, you've seen this car before. I actually showcased it, but not in a car form. Sort of, it's actually a card form. If you don't know, this was the Tarmac Cards LB Super Silhouette FD3S that I've done a video of previously. You can go check that out. That was from the LBWK Volume 0 video that I've done a video of, and that was one of the cards that were available in those packs. And yes, it's quite rare nowadays, so yeah, you can better go check it out. So let's take a close look at this lovely looking RX-7 here, colored in orange and green right here. So let's start off on the rims. Do these roll? I would say not entirely, as they are stanced, so it's pretty hard to roll. I would say pretty tight, so there are no chances for you to roll this as much as you can. So you have thick rubber tires. You have like a silver barrel sort of. You have yellow tires, I guess. Sorry, yellow rims right there. It says slammed. I don't know what is that. Liberty Walk number 55. Yeah, you have this wide body right here at the back. At the tires right here, wide body. And then you have orange, green, and also more orange. So you have some dotted stripes here and there. Liberty Walk. And then what else? LB right there. And then you have different set of rims for the back and front. I don't know what you would call these sort of rims. They kind of look like donut style rims, I guess. I'm not entirely sure. You can let me know down in the comments if you do know. But yeah, they look pretty cool. What else? That is not sure what sponsor is that. So yeah, very nice. Moving on to the front, you do get the pop-up LED lights, but then they're not visible. They're not like open or so. So yeah, it is there, but you don't see it. It's hard for you to see it, no. It says Liberty Walk Mazda, and then you have yeah, your like V-shaped orange stripe here and there, and then you have your front grille, your license plate which says yeah, Liberty Walk. Your license plate is Liberty Walk. More of your headlights, I guess. I'm not entirely sure. Bottom right here. Very, very nice car. So what else? Yeah, you have black in the middle right here. You have some hood scoops right here. But yeah, blacked out interior, regular windshield tint, blacked out interior, blacked out dashboard. Then you have your orange windshield banner with the Mazda logo in black. What else? So that's for the hood. Oh yeah, there is the side mirrors right here, which are located further away from the regular position of the normal side windows. Sorry, not side windows, but the side mirrors. Instead, they're more closer to the hood. Moving towards the roof. So the roof, yeah, you have some green, you have some black, and you also have some this gray sort of color, which is interesting. Here is the other side. No sponsor changes or anything, pretty much the same as the other side as always. Move on to the back. So for the rear spoiler right here, colored in orange, plastic by the way, Liberty plastic, right? Yeah, plastic. Liberty Walk right there, quite big. At the back right here, you have some orange and green. So you have tinted rear lights right here. You don't see the red on the rear lights somehow. Toyo tires, I guess. Brake lights, you have your Liberty Walk license plate, and then you have your massive rear diffusers colored in black, which obviously look pretty nice. Metal base, blacked out metal base. INNO64 LBWK Mazda RX-7 made in China. Oh yeah, you have that detailed base with the, oh yeah, there is a rear spoiler right here on the side right, bottom right. Overall, I really do like the car. It looks very nice, very great looking for a super silhouette model. I really do like it, and yeah, it looks very nice in this orange and green. Quite a tribute to the old Le Mans winning Mazda 787B. If you don't know, the design purpose was mainly a tribute to that car, supposedly, and instead of you know, it's saying Renown and whatnot, it just says Liberty Walk, which is their main team, where they build cars, they tune cars and whatnot. Basically, it is quite big and really nice. And yeah, it doesn't just apply to this car. There are many other cars made by LBWK, which you will see me make videos of more frequent after this. So yeah, better stay tuned. I'll be reviewing some more Mazda RX-7 FD3Ss from special event models, basically, which include the Hong Kong Toy Car Saloon 2024 that won special there will be a special video as there is a surprise there. And then I have the one from, I think it's also another event model. I forgot what event it was, but it was the light blue version. And then this is not an event model, but the RX-7 FD3S Advent livery that's also quite new right now, and I will be reviewing soon, but that's not a event model or anything, but still pretty nice car to review as well. But yeah, there you go, that's my review of the Mazda RX-7 FD3S LB Super Silhouette made by INNO64. Very nice car, love it. This was available at the Malaysia Diecast Expo 2024, and yeah, I guess that's all for me to say. If you want to still get this car, you can go get it from your local retailers. Depends on prices though. Some can be more expensive, some can be a bit cheap, so yeah, it pretty much depends whether you choose the right shop or not. So yeah, once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you by the videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.